So today we're going to talk about what a function is. A lot of my students get confused on this fundamental concept, and it's one that is actually really going to follow you through math all the way starting primarily in Algebra 1 all the way through calculus. So it's actually a very important topic. So the way that I like to think about a function and to explain a function using everyday analogies is really using the machine as an example. So if you think of what a machine is at its core, it typically takes something in, it does something to it, and it gives you something else out. So of course that's not going to be, a perfect example, but at least it's pretty relatable to real life. So one example I like to think about is just a token machine. So if we think about what it does, we take our money. I'm in the United States, so I'm going to use the dollar as the example. So I would take my dollar or my $5 or my $20, I put it into the machine and it gives me something else out. It's going to give me a number of tokens. So effectively, a function has some sort of input, which when we relate that to math, that's typically the x value. And then we get something else out, and that output is typically the y value. So let's go over just a few more examples of that. So here's some other real life examples I like. I like the example of a car wash, right? When you go to get your car wash, what do? You take in your dirty car, it cleans your car for you, and it gives you a clean car out. So again, we're going back to that fundamental idea of having an input and then having an output. We can also look at a dishwasher, right? With the dishwasher example, what do? We put in our dirty dishes, it cleans our dishes for us, and it gives us out clean dishes. So in my next video, I want to keep this one short and make sure it's to the point, but in my next video, I'm going to go into further detail on what those inputs and outputs are. And just to give you a sneak peek, it has to do with domain and range. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.